right, so back at this Ford pickup truck, just real quick before I put it all together, I wanted to test the new throttle position sensor. That's the sensor there, and I've got it plugged in and I have it probed again to my meter. And right now, key on, engine off, instead of at 3.3 volts, we're at 0.8, which is below 1 volt. Like I said earlier, that's where we want it to be. Now what I'm going to do to test it, to make sure everything works before I put all this back together, is I'm going to slowly turn the throttle plates open and closed and monitor the voltage on the meter. So as I start to open it, I'm going nice and slow, looking for any imperfections. And so far so good. It's going up nice and steady. Like I said, this should be between 1 and 5 volts, or a little less than 1 volt, maybe 0.5 to 5 volts, 4.9, somewhere in there. Oh, that was kind of weird. I'm gonna go back a little bit so you can start to see it go down. I'm gonna start to open this up kind of to where we were before. I could have bumped something the wrong way. Yep, I think I bumped something the wrong way, but there we go, 4 volts. I'm almost all the way open. There we go, I'm all the way open at 4.5. Typically it's between, 4.5 should be okay, but typically between 4.8 to 5. We're at wide open throttle right now, and it's a lot better than it was before. Before, with the throttle plate closed, we were at 3.3 volts, which 3.3 volts looks like, let me get it there. That is what 3.3 volts looks like. So before, when the throttle position sensor was bad, the the vehicle's computer thought that the throttle plate was open this far. So it thought that there was a bunch of air going in the engine, and there wasn't. And it was actually closed like that. So the vehicle's computer saw that there was some type of restriction, possibly in the air cleaner tube somewhere, maybe, a mouse nest, and it decided to use the idle air control motor, which is right here, to open it up to allow more air past the throttle body. And that's why my idle was at 2,500 RPM. It wasn't because the idle air control motor was bad, it's because the throttle position sensor was no good.